In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a conditional field in DocuSign. Start by signing in to DocuSign and heading to the Home dashboard. Click Start, then choose Get Signatures to open the sending workflow. Upload the document you want to use. Once the file is in, add your recipients right away. This matters because conditional logic follows the recipient assignment. Both your trigger and the field that appears conditionally should belong to the same signer. When that's set, click Next. Add fields to move into the tagging screen. Begin by placing the essential fields. Drop a signature field where your signer needs to sign. Then add a checkbox on the page. This checkbox will act as the trigger for the conditional behavior. Click to place it exactly where it makes sense, such as next to a question like, Include additional terms. With the checkbox selected, open its properties on the right and look for conditional logic. Click Create Rule. You're now defining when another field should show or hide. In the Rule Builder, use the first drop-down to choose the condition type, then set the state to On or Checked so the logic runs when the box is selected. Next, click Select Field to choose the target, the field that should appear only when the condition is true. Pick the signature field you placed earlier, or whichever field you want to reveal. Make sure the IF statement reads clearly. If the checkbox is on, then show the selected field. Confirm your choices and click Save. Before sending anything, click Preview to test the experience. In the preview, act as the signer. Toggle the checkbox. When it's checked, the target field should appear. When it's unchecked, it should be hidden. If the field doesn't behave as expected, double-check that both the checkbox and the target field are assigned to the same recipient, confirm the rule is saved, and ensure the correct field was selected in the rule. A quick recap. Upload your document, add recipients, place your signature field, add a checkbox as the trigger, create a rule in the checkbox's properties, set the condition to On or Checked, select the field that should appear, save, and then preview to confirm everything works. For clarity and maintenance, consider naming your fields so they're easy to identify in the Rule Builder, and only mark target fields as required when they're visible. Once your preview looks good, you're ready to proceed with sending your document.